Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to leave a review on Vrbo. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now in this Vrbo guide that explains how to submit a property review. On checkout day, you'll receive an email with a link to submit a review if you've met the property review requirements. You can also submit a review from your account. So in order to submit a review, firstly log into your VRBO account with the email you used to book the property. After that, select My Trips under your profile name, select your specific reservations from past trips, select Leave a Review, rate your experience from 1 to 5 stars, and fill in the requirement fields, and lastly select Submit. After you've submitted the reviews, we'll send you a confirmation email and check whether the review complies with our content guidelines. The review will be hidden until both traveler and partner have submitted their reviews until 14 days have passed. In order to edit a review, so right here, you can't edit a review after it's been submitted. Similarly, we can't modify or change the content of any review even at your request. Our policies conform with the Communication Decency Act and the EU e-commerce directive, which require that user generated content is the result of the user's efforts alone. Later review, partners and travelers can request to remove a review they've written by contacting customer service. Edit a star rating. A star rating can't be corrected. Partners and travelers can request to remove a review they have written by contacting customer service. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.